Since 2008, Swedish International Development Agency (SIDA) decided to strengthen the innovation management in research activities led by Universidad Mayor de San Andrés, UMSA.
If you see this part, especially in this equipment, we try to implement here in Bolivia what is the innovation and the application using residues. I think the innovation is most of the people don't using the residues. You know, just put wherever and the contamination increases every time. The reason now we try to use these residues is, for example, the hydrolysis process. We try to fractionate the different biomass because Bolivia is a rich country in biomass production, especially from agriculture residues or agro-industrial residues. The future project is to implement a pretreatment plant about the residues they produce now. We got very nice results at the moment. The good thing on innovation is the students increase very much the knowledge and they motivated very much because they only not work on the engineering part, they work also in the chemistry, biochemistry, and physics in some point of view, and also especially in models, biological models, then the design, the process. I think this combination of motivate the junior and the young people is very, very nice because we need more expert people here in Bolivia.
I am working as coordinator of a multidisciplinary group at UMSA. This group works with plants, mainly with plants. And since these plants, we are trying to obtain products with added value. One of these projects is the phytotherapeutic products from Bolivian plants. The main product in this project is the anti-inflammatory cream called Chilca Flam. Chilca Flam is a product from Chilca. The common name is Chilca and the scientific name is Baccharis latifolia. We study this plant because it is used by the popular population as anti-inflammatory.
Innovation is to have a network, and that's what we have been working hard to try to connect our products, our research to the market internationally and locally. So far we create a company which is called Swibol Biotech, which is founded in Sweden and in Bolivia now. And we are producing new products. We are actually proposing new patents together, and the intention is to bring high quality products with foundation in research to the market. We started running measuring activity in foods, particularly antioxidants. We have been working with antioxidants growing in foods growing in the highlands. Like Bolivia, for instance, we have a high plateau which is around 3,600 meters above sea level. And the intention was to quantify and identify the compounds that had the influence of the UV solar radiation in order to protect this plant and that now are part of the food. And after that, we have been working also with macromolecules, trying to understand, for instance, the quality of proteins, starch, and other macromolecules present in foods. And then the next step is the formulation of that, to take this, to show that you have a particular plants and foods growing here, and try to formulate to get a new attractive product. That's why we work with the Swedish companies.
On 2016, the first steps to structure the interaction and facilitate the certain process with priority sector was the consolidation of an innovation unit with the incorporation of innovation managers.
Innovar implica reciclarte, implica plantear nuevas opciones, nuevas alternativas, la tarea imprescindible de investigación que desarrolla la universidad, promover un conjunto de alternativas de desarrollo para el país en aras de mejorar la calidad de vida de nuestra gente, de asumir nuevos desafíos, nuevos emprendimientos. En ese sentido, estas tareas están siendo promovidas, impulsadas por la Unidad de Innovación y desde luego bajo el respaldo institucional de la Universidad Mayor de San Andrés.
This unit is identifying internal and external stakeholders for the formation of network in different programs, facilitating the design of strategies for transferring knowledge technology with the creation of regulations on intellectual property rights, generating an innovative culture in teacher researchers and junior researchers, linking strategic allies to economic foundation for the development of national system of protected areas, bank of productive development, and others. Bolivia has the Bolivian Innovation System, developed by the Vice Ministry of Science and Technology, based on national priority strategies to fight poverty, inequality reduction, food security, strengthen the strategic productive sector in a vision of living well.
Hemos considerado que la investigación y la innovación tienen que ser impulsadas por la universidad. Creo que en manos de las universidades está el descubrimiento de cosas nuevas, la modificación y la reforma de las que existen y facilitando el bienestar de las personas en todas las partes de una economía global.
In the national university context, the plan of the Bolivian university system has been approved with the support of the Swedish International Development Agency. UMSA is writing its strategic plan for research innovation, postgraduate and social interaction from 2017 to 2022, framed in 6 areas: natural resources, biodiversity, environment and climate change, productive and technological development, sociocultural, food security with food sovereignty, health, energy, and hydrocarbons. All of this under 4 main strategic objectives. 1. Support the employment generation based on conservation and sustainable use of natural resources and environment, enhancing the productive socio-economic activities of peasant communities and small and medium-sized enterprise businesses. 2. Supporting the generation of economic surpluses by empowering strategic companies. 3. Promote the integral human and socio-cultural development. 4. Contribute to health. Making innovation at UMSA has not been an easy task for researchers and institutes, since it was necessary to have an innovation unit that designs the UMSA system and manages and facilitates these co-productive processes in a transdisciplinary way for development and transfer of research results.